You are welcome back. Today I want to talk about trigonometry, and I want to define hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. What is the meaning of hypotenuse? Kí la ń pè ní hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is a side facing the right angle in a right angle triangle. Tí a bá ní right angle triangle bí eléyìí báyìí, angle tó máa fún wa ní 90, ìkan nínú ẹ̀ jẹ́ 90 òun là ń pè ní right angle triangle. Ìlà tó dojú kọ right angle yìí òun là ń pè ní kíni hypotenuse. Meaning that this side BC, which is denoted as A, is what? The hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Ìlà tó dojú kọ right angle triangle, right angle in the right angle triangle òun là ń pè ní kíni hypotenuse. Opposite. Kí la ń pè ní opposite? The opposite is a side facing the angle that we want to use, or angle in consideration. Angle tá fẹ́ lò nínú right angle triangle. Tá bá fẹ́ lo angle yìí nísìnyí, angle yìí, tá bá fẹ́ lo angle yìí, theta. Ìlà tó dojú kọ yìí kò ní opposite of this theta. Tá bá fẹ́ lo alpha yìí, ìlà tó dojú kọ yìí kò ní opposite of this alpha. Ìtumọ̀ ni pé ìlà tó dojú kọ angle tá fẹ́ lò, angle in consideration. Opposite. Then what is the adjacent? Adjacent is the line beside the angles in consideration. Tàbí ká sọ pé ìkẹta, the third side after the hypotenuse and what the opposite. Ìtumọ̀ ni pé adjacent yìí tó yẹ pé theta yìí la fẹ́ lò báyìí, àti mọ̀ pé eléyìí opposite theta ni, eléyìí hypotenuse ni. Then eléyìí máa wá jẹ́ ìkẹta máa jẹ́ kí ni adjacent. Tó yẹ pé alpha yìí la fẹ́ lò, eléyìí báyìí, this side, which is the opposite. Eléyìí àti mọ̀ pé hypotenuse ni, eléyìí máa jẹ́ kí ni adjacent of what? Of alpha. Nínú trigonometry a máa ń lo kíní kankan pè ní Sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. While tan equals to opposite over adjacent. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ kíní yẹn? Ìtumọ̀ ẹni wípé if I say sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Màá lọ wo theta angle yìí, ibo ló dojú kọ opposite sí. Kí ni hypotenuse? Ìlà tó dojú kọ right angle A. Then cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. This is theta also. Kí ni adjacent here? B. Kí ni hypotenuse? A. That is adjacent over hypotenuse. Y tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over what? Of this theta C. Opposite theta C, adjacent here B, which is C over B. To yẹ pé alpha la fẹ́ mú, wọ́n máa di sin alpha is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite of alpha, ìlà tó dojú kọ alpha wọn àpè ní opposite, which is B over hypotenuse tó jẹ́ cos alpha wọ́n máa jẹ́ kí ni adjacent, ìlà kẹta adjacent of alpha tàbí ìlà tó wà níbi alpha, which is C over what? Hypotenuse tó jẹ́ then tan alpha kí ló ń jẹ́? Which is opposite ìlà tó dojú kọ alpha over adjacent B over C. No matter láti mọ gbogbo nǹkan tó jọ mọ́ báyìí tán, the next thing is that I want you to know something, that the sum of these two, theta and alpha, that is theta plus alpha is 90 degree. Is 90 degree. Nítorí pé ìgbà tá a ti ní kan bẹ́ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ 90, and we all know that the sum of angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. So automatically the sum of the two angles in the right angle triangle is what? They are complementary angles. Complementary. That is, their sum is what? 90 degree. Tó bá jẹ́ ìtumọ̀ ni pé our theta is equals to 90 minus alpha. At the same time, alpha is equals to 90 minus what? Minus theta. In that case, àwa ti sọ pé tá a bá ní ìkan tó jọ mọ́ báyìí, we can now see sin theta. We can now see sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus is equals to sine 90 minus alpha. Kí ló fà tó jẹ́ màá tún fẹ́? Kí ni sin theta mean? Sin theta is opposite of theta. C sin theta is equals to C opposite over what? Hypotenuse. A. Kí wá ní cos 90? No, but this one is something as well 90 minus theta. Àti proof ẹ̀ bí 90 minus theta alpha is 90 minus theta. So that means sin alpha 2. What is sin alpha? Is also what? Opposite. I mean cos alpha, the adjacent C over what? Hypotenuse C over E. So go ahead and one draw. At the same time, what is cos alpha? Cos adjacent of alpha C over what? Over hypotenuse over E. The same thing as what? Sin 90 minus and our theta, this thing, it is theta. It's also theta because theta is 90 minus alpha. Okay? So that is what? Sin theta. Sin theta is opposite over what? Hypotenuse C over E. Ìdí ẹ̀ ká sọ pé sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta and then cos alpha is equals to sin 90 minus alpha. In our next class, I'm going to bring a sample on it so that you'll be able to solve it together. Till next time, thank you. Wish you best of luck.